we're sharing our packing list for family festivals so that you can enjoy the music and activities rather than dealing with the fallout of not having packed the right stuff. And we've linked to the items we use and love in the description below, along with our 10 tips for family festivals video. So let's get packing. Festival trolley. You can't always park where you pitch, and it can be tough carrying all your stuff, including your tent. The campsites can sometimes be a 20-minute walk from the main arena, so take a sturdy festival trolley. We've linked to ours below. Your trolley can also be used to carry your little ones when they have tired legs, or as a bed if they're really tired. Packing cubes. Such a simple idea, but so useful. We take them everywhere, but they really come into their own when camping. They keep everything organised, and each member of the family always has the same colour. Chairs, as there'll be lots of sitting, and we take a picnic blanket too for lying down, playing games or meal times. Toys. Family festivals usually have loads of activities for children, but we find we still need our travel toys and outdoor toys for some chill out time at the main arena or back at camp. Snacks and drinks. We take lots of snacks as the cost of the food stands can mount up, especially at a 4-day festival, and the queues can be really long. We also bring plenty of fruit and a bit of veg, as 4 days of pizza, noodles and burritos leaves us craving some nutrition. Pack reusable water bottles, as you can fill them up at the outdoor drinking water taps. You might also want to take some cans of alcoholic drinks or boxed wine to keep costs down, and plastic glasses like these. Ear defenders and earplugs. The music can be really loud even far back, and your children might want to get in on the action by the stage. We always go for the family campsite option for a quieter night, but even then you can still have noise, so we take mouldable earplugs. Toilet essentials. It's always worth chucking a toilet roll and hand sanitizer into your bag, as sometimes the toilets aren't restocked in time. Washcloths or reusable wet wipes are your festival best friend. Bags. We're talking IKEA-style bags for stuff, for the layers you take off and anything you buy. Also bin bags for dirty clothes, wet clothes, rubbish and recycling. And a cool bag for food and drink. We pack ours with frozen drinks. Pack for all weathers. You'll need warm clothes as it can get very cold sat out at night. Hooded blankets and onesies are great for kids watching the acts at night, and also as an extra layer for sleeping in. Wellies and waterproofs. Even if rain isn't forecast, the ground can be muddy from previous downpours or even just the water taps. Sun protection. Make sure you've got sun hats and sunscreen. There's little shade when it's sunny, so we often pack an umbrella in case of sun or rain. Sometimes we take a pop-up tent for the children to shelter in and even nap, but this tends to only work at small or very spacious festivals, as you don't want to block anyone's view. Battery pack. You'll want lots of battery to take precious photos and videos of all the fun you're having. Remember, phone reception can be very poor. Cash. With the phone signal often being a bit dodgy, it's worth taking some cash just in case. Torches. Save your phone battery and bring torches for walking back to camp, late night toilet trips, or to rummage around for things in your tent. Gazebo. If you're going with a group of friends, as recommended in our 10 tips for family festivals video, a gazebo is really useful for gathering under in the mornings for breakfast or when the children are asleep at night, if festival rules allow gazebos. Festival fun stuff. Lights, flags and signs are fun ways to decorate your tent, and they can help you find your tent amongst the thousands of others. You can take your own glitter, stencils and face paint to save money and time in queues. And don't forget your fancy dress for theme nights. BBQ and Stove. Lots of festivals allow barbecues as long as they're raised from the ground. We use our foldable barbecue for breakfast and toasting marshmallows. As an extra bonus tip, take a pen to write your phone number on the children's security bands, should you get separated. Do let us know in the comments if we've missed anything out. Family Tripping will be reviewing Camper Calling Festival. Just subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss that and our other travel tip videos from the UK and around the world.